Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I have a classic piece of gear here today, and I believe everybody's gonna be somewhat familiar with one of these, and it is a magnesium fire starter is what I know them as. And it's just a bar of magnesium, so that's what all this material is, and set in it is a ferro rod. So you have a ferro rod and magnesium, and the idea is to take this included scraper and you would use it to, this thing's not very sharp at all, like let's scrape this guy. And make a pile of magnesium, and then you would use the look, it just got paint on it. The ferro rod to light your magnesium. So, long story short, this thing right here is the doo-doo. It's not very good. Now you can take and scrape the paint off of it and hit it on a grinder and make a pretty decent scraper out of it, or you can incorporate this with something that has a good sharp 90-degree spine. So my next gen, huge difference. And I would kind of just swap sides whenever to try to keep it evenly scraped. This magnesium burns hot too. So you get your little pile. Make sure mine has plenty of dirt in it. That always makes it help. It makes it burn better. It helps it to burn. So this dude has been the cause of me coming home smelling like smoke many times when I was younger, when I wasn't supposed to. Sometimes you get these. This one actually is pretty soft compared to some of the other ones that I've got. I've got some that are hard to get material scraped off of. This guy's not been super bad. Big pieces compared to some of the smaller chunks. And this side we just use the quick, but that's her. Burns really hot compared to a lot of the other man-made gizmos. And you saw you can look at how much that I removed from that. Actually not a ton. You can see a little dip there, but you could do that many times before you used it all. You would use this ferro rod up before you used all the magnesium. But pretty cool. You can dip this thing in the water and it can get wet. Now it will oxidize over time, so it'll get this white crusty looking stuff on it. Sweat does it a lot, but it's not the end of the world. You just scrape through that stuff and get to the good stuff underneath it. Pretty neat. One of the first ferro rods that I ever had was, I had broke this out. So I broke the ferro rod out of the magnesium and just used the ferro rod for things. But I later come to appreciate the magnesium is actually a pretty decent fire starter once you have put in the practice with it. Again, 90-degree spine versus this, and you can see it started to peel just that little bit. It started to peel the paint off of it. You could peel the paint off and probably end up with a pretty decent scraper on one of these if you did not have a good 90-degree spine on something. But anywho, that is a little throwback to the classic magnesium fire starter. This thing was like $1.40 something at Harbor Freight, so I picked a couple up yesterday. Anywho, thanks for the support. Later, guys.